everyone, my name is Angela Romano, and I decided to do my research paper and presentation on the Plyler versus Doe Supreme Court case. Alright, in this pivotal Supreme Court case, the Tyler Independent School District, located within the state of Texas, aimed to rid all its schools of children who lived under the ruse of undocumented parents and immigrants. To do so, school administrators proposed a $1,000 tuition fee upon students whose guardians were immigrants, leaving the cost of classes free to all other students besides the immigrant students. Subsequent to previous Texas ideologies, the Tyler Independent District justified their beliefs to the court by referencing the already established laws within the state of Texas, which legalized the withholding of school funding to educational institutions that admitted immigrant students. Alright, so here you can see that we have a timeline of the entire case. In disagreement with the Texas School District, the MALDEF, also known as the Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund, sought to sue the public educational institutions and shed light on the greater issue. Initially brought to the attention of the federal court, officials began to take action against the Tyler Independent School District within the month of September 1977. Although the federal courts worked to deny the raised tuition fees towards immigrant students, the case took several years to reach its final conclusion. It was not until 4 years later that the issue was finally introduced to the Supreme Court, and amidst multiple ups and downs during the trial, officials were finally able to establish that only through proper education can individuals be provided with the essential tools to achieve economically productive lives that ultimately benefit the greater good of society. The court found that while bearing undocumented children would save money, it would not necessarily improve the quality of education. According to the Supreme Court, education plays a pivotal role in maintaining the fabric of our society and in sustaining our political and cultural heritage. The deprivation of education takes an inestimable toll on the social, economic, intellectual, and psychological well-being of the individual, and poses an obstacle to individual achievement. Basing the reasoning on the 14th Amendment of the United States, which says, in part, that no state shall deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of laws, the court declared it unconstitutional to deny any child the chance of having a proper education. As we can see that the court's final ruling to not allow the additional tuition fee to pass really supported English learners in many ways. For instance, they definitely feel a lot more encouraged and more supported by their schooling systems. And by establishing an equal education to every child, students will begin to gain trust in their teachers in school. This will allow learners to become more productive within the classroom. Without fearing the personal information regarding one's immigration status will be given away, students can learn to become proud of their heritage and share with others, and this will add to ultimate cultural diversity and will help students engage in more impactful and meaningful discussions with one another. Additionally, this allows for equal education among all U.S. people living within the U.S. By ensuring that every child has a chance at a proper education, society will begin to flourish. With more unique individuals comes innovative ideas and solutions to societal issues. So that was my presentation, and thank you for listening.